What's going on, everybody? This is Chris with Patch Boy Darb, Patches for the Culture. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever we launch future content. In today's video, we are discussing the Brother Persona, aka the PRS100. If you are looking to start or grow your embroidery business, or just want a nice machine that you can have to make fun projects for your friends and family, I highly recommend checking out the Brother PRS100. In today's video, we'll cover what makes the PRS100 shine, what to watch out for, the built-in features, and also some third-party accessories that you guys should recommend purchasing when you get that PRS100, or if you already got the PRS100. So for the machine overview, let's talk about what is the PRS100. The Persona is a single needle embroidery machine. That means one needle and one color at a time. But it brings a lot of features you normally associate with more expensive machines or multi-needle machines. The max embroidery speed is up to 1,000 stitches per minute and as low as 400 stitches per minute for those of you who are a little bit more concerned about how fast your machine is stitching. The max embroidery area is 8 by 8 inches. Which is 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters. But in my experience with the Brother Persona, I'm able to stitch up roughly 7.75 inches. I have not necessarily gotten up to that 8-inch stitch mark. The Persona has plenty of built-in designs and fonts that you guys can use to test out your Brother Persona. For more details, there is around 405 built-in designs, as well as 20 adjustable fonts. The overall size of the Brother Persona isn't quite that large, so it makes it suitable for smaller rooms, smaller crafting areas. You can even put this Brother Persona on a simple computer desk, depending on the desk size. One of the main features of the Brother Persona is that it has a free arm capability, which means that you can embroider onto tighter areas such as sleeves, pant legs, curved items more easily. It also includes a vertical bobbin, which makes it easier to change that bobbin out whenever that bobbin thread runs low. It also includes a bobbin winder on the top side of the embroidery machine. In short, the Brother Persona is a high quality machine that doesn't necessarily break the bank, and it also gives you all the features that you would have if you purchased a multi-needle machine. Moving on, let's talk about some of the more in-depth features that the Brother Persona has for your actual day-to-day business. With the Brother Persona, you have a large colored LCD screen that is 7 inches, you guys. And with the touchscreen, you can do on-screen editing, such as rotating a design. You can mirror the design. You can move, enlarge, or reduce the size of the design. You can group items, and you can ungroup items. As I mentioned earlier, you got that vertical bobbin access. So whenever you run out of bobbin thread, you don't even have to remove the embroidery hoop from the machine. When it comes to the workflow with changing your thread color, it does allow you to tie the next color thread to the existing one, and you can pull it through the machine. When it comes to the free arm on the Brother Persona, it does allow you to embroider onto things like hats, snapbacks. You can embroider onto beanies. You can embroider onto sleeves, bags, and other odd surface items. The Brother Persona supports USB sticks. You can also even plug the Brother Persona directly into your computer to upload designs that way. Some of the pros that you have with the Brother Persona is you got that high stitches per minute, which you can get up to 1,000 stitches per minute or as low as 400 stitches per minute. The reasoning you want to increase your stitches per minute is so that way you can stitch out designs faster if you're using the Brother Persona for a business aspect, because let's remember, time is money. The next pro is you got somewhat of a largest hoop size, that 8 by 8 inch hoop size. But remember, in our experiences, we were only able to stitch up to 7.75 inches on that large hoop, which isn't a good or bad thing, because in our experiences, a lot of customers typically want patches that are anywhere from 3 inches to 5 inches. Another pro of the Brother Persona is that it's nice and compact, you guys. With this Brother Persona, you can have it tucked away in a little corner, which in all makes it good for home studio setups and smaller production spaces. With the Brother Persona, it operates almost exactly like a multi-needle machine, but you only got that single needle. The Brother Persona is good for hobbyists who just want to make cool designs for their friends and family for the holidays, birthdays, Christmas gifts, whatnot. It's also great for people who want to start an embroidery business or they want to expand their business. All right, you guys, so I can't just give you all the good stuff. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the cons with the Brother Persona. The main downside of the Persona is that it is a single needle machine. That means every color change is manual, you guys. If you got designs that has 10 plus colors, guys, you got to do each and every color change manually, as opposed to a multi-needle machine where all you got to do is program the machine for those colors. If you guys plan on having designs that constantly have more than 10 colors, I would recommend sticking with a multi-needle machine. But over here at Patchboy Darb, patches for the culture, our designs typically only have about 5 to 6 color changes. Another con of the Brother Persona is, of course, the price. Guys, we are looking at a $4,000 price tag. This machine is a significant investment, you guys, for when you're starting your embroidery business. Now, I know we're currently in hard times with the government shutdown and uncertainty in the job market, so $4,000 is quite a lot for a lot of people. But if you're serious about growing your embroidery business and scaling your brand, you should be able to recoup that money anywhere between 2 to 4 months. But not only that, but a lot of the dealerships that sell Brother Personas, they always have financing options in which you can pay to anywhere from $150 to $200 a month until the machine is paid off. Over here at Patchboy Darb, our second Brother Persona, we actually utilized one of the financing deals that Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum had at the time. When we bought this second Persona, we paid $4,000 and it was a bundle deal, so we were able to get the stand included within that $4,000 price tag. So if you're in the market of looking for a Brother Persona, I highly recommend checking out the dealerships to see what special deals they have going on. And not only that, Christmas is right around the corner, so there might be some great deals for you guys to utilize when purchasing your Brother Persona. The next con with the Brother Persona is for extremely large volume production. For example, if you're making hundreds of the same design or items, a multi-needle machine might be more sufficient for you. So if you plan on making hundreds of designs in a day, I don't think the Brother Persona is right for you. Another con of the Brother Persona is its overall weight. Although it's compact for what it is, it still weighs around 65 pounds, maybe even up to 68 pounds, and requires a good, stable table or surface. Now let's go ahead and talk about some accessories that you can purchase separately from your Brother Persona. One of the biggest accessories you will want for your Brother Persona are MightyHoops. MightyHoops are great to replace the standard hoops that come with the Brother Persona. Not only do the MightyHoops have the magnetic features, it also have a somewhat textured effect, which keeps the fabric from slipping and sliding when it's in the hoop. But if you ever plan on picking up some MightyHoops, be sure to use promo code PATCHBOY to receive free shipping on your MightyHoop order. Another accessory you can get for your Brother Persona is the free motion kit, which is something we currently do not have for our Brother Persona. But if you want to branch into free motion quilting or artistic stitched backgrounds, definitely check out the Brother PRS100 free motion kit. Another big accessory you can get for your Brother Persona is, of course, the embroidery machine stand. A good stand with storage helps organize hoops, threads, and reduce fatigue in your studio setup. You guys, having some of these accessories, especially the MightyHoops, will give you flexibility, it'll reduce hassle, and it'll help you elevate to the next level in your embroidery business. Moving on, you guys, let's talk about why the Brother Persona is a great option for starting your embroidery business. When it comes to the Persona, depending on what route you want to take with your embroidery business, you can do anything from patches, you can do direct to garment embroidery, you can even do direct to hat, but you will have to get a separate cap driver if you want to embroider on the hats. So depending on your niche, the Brother Persona could help get you to that next level in your embroidery business or when starting your embroidery business. So when it comes to our Brother Personas, we utilize them in making one-of-one custom patches for customers or just stitching out some of the designs we have in our catalog. Because the Brother Persona is compact and home friendly, you can easily set it up in a spare bedroom you might have. You can set it up in your living room. Heck, you can even set it up on your kitchen counter if you need to. The Persona is also ideal for anyone who wants to start making some YouTube content or TikTok content in regards to machine embroidery because of its small, compact size. After this video, go and watch some of our other videos with the Brother Persona and see how crisp and clean those stitches are. You cannot go wrong in regards to quality when it comes to the Brother Persona. As your embroidery business grows, you can add accessories such as hoops and free motion kits, and you can also take more diverse items like bags, jackets, sleeves. You can even embroider onto hats. You also want to consider the noise, because even though the Brother Persona is small, it still has a considerable amount of noise. So when you have it set up in your room, definitely consider having in some noise canceling headphones, so that way the machine noise doesn't drive you crazy. All right, you guys, this has been Chris with Patchboy Patches for the Culture. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the Brother Persona, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on embroidery machines, patches, business tips, and creative tutorials. Until next time, you guys, keep on stitching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.